of the topics that we want to talk about today is, quite frankly, a question that we ask our clients in one of our upfront conversations, and that's if they've done any legal and financial planning. It's so important, and quite frankly, we find that a lot of our clients haven't done any planning.
And not to sound cliche, but failing to plan is planning to fail. It's a really important part of this process as you look towards your future.
Yeah. Or our clients are on the other end and they've done it 5 or 10 years ago and they haven't updated anything. So we start to talk to them about that process and the importance of that. By no means does your legal or your financial planning mean that you're giving anything up in the here and the now. It's really just that you're planning ahead to determine the best person to help you make your decisions should there come a time that you can't do it for yourself or you need some assistance in the future. So part of this topic is really identifying, how do I choose the right elder law attorney and the professional?
Yeah,
so
it's really interesting when it comes to law practice. Attorneys can actually practice all types of general law. So we do hear sometimes that, oh, my family, attorney has helped with maybe some trust or estate planning or helped me write a will. But we typically pretty strongly advocate to our clients that they find an accredited local elder law attorney specifically. So here in Massachusetts, we have specific laws and regulations around our state benefits program, whether that be in-home care, assisted living, supportive care, or skilled nursing. But every state is very different with their rules and regulations and funding sources for these programs. So a local elder law attorney will be well versed in the resources. There is a national accreditation. Only 500 elder law attorneys across the country carry the accreditation, and it's called CELA, Certified Elder Law Attorney. That's a great resource. You can find that resource on our Facebook page, Senior Soul Sisters. Also, more importantly, as equally as important, is finding a trusted professional, not only that may come highly recommended from other professionals or families or seniors that you know, but that has a similar personality match, someone who's really going to get to know you, your unique needs, and as Lauren alluded to, what your wishes and goals are, because every plan is very different from the next, and it should meet your needs. And a brief example of that would be, if your goal is to leave funds to an adult child, that's a different plan than maybe your children don't want the money and they want the best quality of care for you for as long as possible. Those are two very different legal plans, and having that conversation with your elder law attorney.
And I think knowing too that financially there are some elder law attorneys too that a lot of people get very nervous because it can be very costly. So there's different levels of what elder law attorneys can provide for you as well.
Yes, and sometimes looking at that with a great kind of bulletproof legal plan, it can cost upward of $10,000 or more. However, if that plan is done correctly, it could possibly save you hundreds of thousands of dollars down the road. So really talking with the attorney about the pros and cons, and it's probably a wise investment, as we typically see, to have a solid legal plan in place. There's also the National Association of Elder Law Attorneys is a great resource that you can check out to get a list of your local elder law attorneys in your area.
And if you just want to start the conversation again, reach out to professionals in this space to help you really navigate and identify the right elder law attorney to be working with. So good luck.
Good luck.
For more information, resources, and videos like this, please subscribe, like, and follow Dovetail Companies.